Nagnenegosyo ka ba para kumita o nagnenegosyo ka ba para lumaki? Maraming business owners ang confused kung ano ba talaga ang rason kung bakit sila nagnenegosyo. And based on my observation, a lot of business owners only do business to make money. May mali ba doon? Wala naman. Ganun talaga eh. Lahat ng negosyante gusto kumita. Pero, hindi pwedeng hanggang dun lang ang goal mo. Your goal should be sustainable growth. Hindi lang growth ha, kailangan sustainable. Lumalaki ang kakayanan mong kumita, serve more customers, and expand your operation. To do this, you should have enough knowledge on how your business is doing and yung potential niyang lumaki based on numbers. Regular financial reports ang basehan ha, hindi hula at lalong hindi kutob. In that way, mas magaguide mo yung negosyo mo hindi lang para bigyan kanya ng pangkain sa araw-araw, but to enable it to be strong enough to grow on its own. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.